What if one AI tool could handle all your videos, blogs, emails, scripts, even your thumbnails, short form videos, and ad campaigns all at once? Well, it can, and it's called Galaxy.ai. Let me show you why this all-in-one content machine is changing the game for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone tired of juggling a dozen tools and subscriptions. You're about to see how simple, fast, and powerful your workflow can be, whether you're building your brand, scaling your business, or just creating smarter. I'm your host, and in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Galaxy.ai works and why it might be the last content tool you'll ever need. Let's dive in and build something amazing. All right, everyone. So here we are in the main dashboard, and as you can see, Galaxy AI has 2,417 tools available as of today. Now, every day this number climbs, and they keep adding tools. However, on the left side, you can come down and see the popular tools people are using. Image generator, video generator, chat with AI, chat arena, AI search engine, YouTube summarizer, and you can see all these over here. But what I want to show you are the tools that I have favorited that as a content creator, I use most of the time. What's nice about this platform is that it allows you to filter the tools. So if you're looking for something specific, you would just come right here and then type in, if you're doing something with blogs, you just type in blog and it pulls up all of the tools that have the word blog in it. So if you're looking for videos, you would just come over here and type video tools or video. And then it pulls up all the video applications, text, all these text apps. All right, and then let's go to voice cloner, voice changer, voice generator, AI computer voice generator, Batman voice generator. So lots of really, really fun tools in here. If you want to go GPT, custom GPTs, chat with GPT mini, chat. Okay, lots of chat tools. So there are so many tools that you can use in Galaxy.ai. So let's just come over here to my favorite tools, which are also the trending tools. So these are the tools people are using the most of. YouTube Summarizer, which is summarize videos of any length, from short clips to long lectures. And you get AI-powered summaries that capture the essence of the content. So if you don't have time to watch an entire video and you just want a synopsis of it, come to YouTube Video Summarizer. AI Photo Studio trains custom AI models to create amazing photos, and you would need to train the model to do that. So this is me. You have to upload 5 images, and then this AI app, it trains your model, so whenever you type in a prompt, it will add your image to that prompt. I can put myself on a mountain. I could put myself playing guitar on a stage. Let me come down here and show you. Let's show you what I've done here. All right, let me look at here we go. All right, so this is what I did with my trained images. Classy. Okay, how about this one? Let's go over here. Yep, there I am playing. This one doesn't really look like me, but the other ones are not bad. Those are pretty good. So I was really impressed with this program. Okay, let's come back. So that is the AI photo generator, AI headshot generator. I absolutely love this. Again, it's the same idea where you'd have to train the model. So let's view these. And here are the headshots that it created for me. And I am very impressed by these headshots. I'm using a whole bunch of them right now in my professional profiles. Okay, let's come out of here. So image generator, and this is your standard image generator. However, it has a whole bunch of models that you can use. A lot of the popular ones, GPT, Ideogram, Leonardo, Flux, Midjourney, Ideogram, Grok 2, Flux. So it has a whole bunch of different models that you could use, all built in Galaxy.ai. Love that about this program. I'll show you some of the images I created. All right, so here you go. Here are some images that I created with Galaxy AI's image generator. And hang on tight, I'm going to go over what this program costs. And yes, you can use it for free, but we're going to talk about the credits that they give you and how to use those. Okay, that's image, YouTube thumbnail generator. I think this does an awesome job. Let me show you my design history. Great job with the YouTube thumbnail generator. Really like this. And if you are a content creator, there are 3 things that you need to really focus on. And the first thing and the most important thing is the thumbnail. And then the title is important, right? And then the content. You could be selling Lamborghinis in the desert for $1, but if your thumbnail isn't good, no one's going to click on it, even if your content is absolutely amazing. All right, so that's that. Voice cloner. Let's see if you can hear this.
Some call me nature. Others.
Okay, so that's not me. That's just an example. Hello, everybody. I am using Galaxy.ai right now. Yeah, so it does a pretty good job. This voice cloner is not bad. And this is compared with 11 Labs. All right, let's come back here. AI music generator. And again, really good. Similar to Suno and SoundRaw and these other programs. I am a huge fan of Suno.ai. But I have to say that this generator, the quality is close to Suno.ai. So let's come down here, let you hear a little sample. Yeah, not bad. Okay, AI video generator, and this, I would say, is one of the most popular tools being used currently. AI video generator, and what I also love about Galaxy.ai, same with the photo generator, is it allows you to use different models. For instance, Kling AI, LumaRay, Veo, Minimax, Luma, Pikaverse. So just choose one of these, or you can just click on one of these filters on top, or you can search a model here, and then you can generate a video. Here we go. Yeah, not bad. That was Kling. So I used Kling for that. So yeah, really good stuff. Okay, let's come on out. And then AI text to speech, AI video effect generator, AI face swap, talking photo generator. This is pretty cool. Check this out.
Turn any photo into a talking video with Galaxy.ai.
Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. Just take a static photo and it turns it into a video. All right. I love this AI lip sync generator. Let's see if okay, this is cool.
Nerf has been under a lot of people's radar recently. It's the Nerf that Corridor Digital talked about, which it is short for Neural Radiance Fields. My desktop background
yeah,
from
so
my Nerf...
that's not Tucker Carlson talking. That was the lip sync AI. All right, so check this out.
You only think I guessed wrong. That's what's so funny. I switched glasses when your back was turned. Ha ha, you fool. You fell victim to one of the classic blunders. The most famous is never get involved in a land war in Asia.
I had a lot of fun with that one. Okay, so let's come on out of here. So that's lip sync generator. Face swap. This is fun. Okay, that's the original clip. And then this is the new clip. Face swap. Okay, pretty cool. Talking photo generator. This is popular. AI ad generator, lip sync generator. Okay, come on over here. Shorts generator. So this is kind of like Syllabi or Copycopter, where you put in a script and you can use GPT, ChatGPT to create your script for you. And then you input it in here and it creates for you a YouTube Shorts video. Okay, so AI image to video. Again, this is like a moving, it takes your static image and it turns it into a video. So this just brings you back to the video generator where you can import your own. Here it is, image to video right here. And this is cool, AI fight generator. You just put in your prompts, you put in a couple of photos here and it does its thing. Here's another cool tool, an AI clothes changer. You just select a couple different outfits and then you upload an image and then it puts that outfit on the person. It's a fun tool. All right, everyone, so that is just a short tutorial on what Galaxy.ai can do. And this is your all-in-one solution for content creation, for automation, and AI-powered storytelling. So let's talk real quick about how much this program costs. It does allow you to use free credits, and every day you can come on here and try to win yourself some free credits. So you go to utilities on the bottom, and then you go to free credits, and then you click to reveal. And I just won 435,000 credits. Now that sounds like a lot of credits, but when you purchase the plan for Galaxy AI, they give you 15 million credits, but some of these AI tools require a lot of credits. For example, if you're going to generate a video, that video might use up 400,000 credits to generate one video. To generate a photo, it might be 20,000 credits. You want to come on here, you want to check out Galaxy.ai to see if it's a good all-in-one tool for you. I think it's great. Instead of using programs like Syllabi or Copycopter, Kling AI, Pika, and all, Leonardo, and paying for all those, you just pay for the one here. And again, try it out for free. And if it's good, go ahead and try it, try it for a month and see how you like it. Again, it's an all-in-one platform. So if you're ready to save time and cut costs and create smarter, it's time to give Galaxy AI a serious look. Hit that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to Dynamic AI Tech for more tutorials, tools, and tips to level up your digital game. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one and respond to every single one. So until next time, keep creating, keep automating, and stay dynamic. See you all soon.